Okay. I'm Mbongiseni Mazibuko, the Deputy Director General responsible for curriculum management and delivery of the KZN Department of Education. Today we are at Khulani Special School, uMkhanyakude District. We were having our last session of the ECD Roadshow. We're meeting the District Director and his men called together with circuit managers. Our main interest was to learn from them as to how they are implementing ECD after the function shift as promulgated by the President of the country. We are discovering that there is a lot that districts are doing, having been to all the districts, this being the last one today. Districts are doing a lot of work and ECD centers are functional, they are working. Although there are challenges, the challenges are relating to the late claims, the challenges are relating to the overage practitioners that we are finding in our centers, the challenges relate to the SLAs that have expired. But we have then decided as the branch curriculum and the department that we shall have other follow-up meetings after this with an aim of assisting one another, talk about the claim procedure, talk about the SLA, and with an understanding of the registration process of the ECD centers. But all we are going to be covering so that everybody understands how we implement the National Integrated Framework for ECD as a policy of the Department of Education. So we are happy as the department about this program, and we are then saying to districts they must keep it up, keep us posted when we meet, and also write to us when there are challenges that they are facing, so that we are all in this together, so that ECD becomes one of the sectors that is successful. Thank you very much.